Introduction. My name is Ursula Cindy Patikasari, NIM 21417358, Class M2, English Cross Elector, Adi Mursalim, SE, MMM. What is management? Management is actually for one organizer life and necessary to run all types of management. Good management is the backbone of successful organizer. Managing life means getting things done to achieve life objective. Dan managing and organizing means getting this done with and throughout people to achieve its objective. Whether management is an art or science will come to be a subject of debate. However, most management thinkers agree that some form of formal academic management background help in managing successful patriarchal or universitas graduates. Hence, the reason for include business program in all function. Management is a set for fitness relating to the funds of planning, organizing, directing, and controlling, and the application of these principles in happiness, physical, financial, human, and informational result efficient and effective to active organizer goal. Definition of management. Many management thinkers have define management in three. One, why, for example, Van Flex, and 3. Definition management as a set of active direct at the efficient dan active ultimation of result in the first on or more goal. Meggings, Mons, and Fritz defines management as working with human, financial, and physical result to active organizer objective by performing the planning, organizing, leading, and controlling for. Criteria and definition of management. Management is a problem-solving process of effective, active organizer objective through the efficient use of share result in a casing environment. According to F. Taylor, management is an art of work, knowing what to do, when to do, and set that is done in the best and correct way. According to Hart Count, management is an art of getting done through and with the people in formal organized group. Is an art of creating on an efficient in which people can from the individual and can cooperate towards attainment of group goal. A leader has certain inherent qualities and traits which aid him in planning, directing growth, and building company. It's what which author leadership in a integral part of management and play a vital role in managerial operational. While management is an integral component of the technical as well as social process, the parties of management is old as human civilization. However, the study of management in a systematic and systematic way as this body of knowledge is only of their rinse or green. Management is some form or another is an integral part of living and is essential where human efforts are to be under to active. The basic objective, the basic aim of management are always at play, whether we manage our life or our business. For example, let us look at the managerial role of simple housewife and how she uses the managerial in managing the home. First, she operates the house and it needs. She processes the net to the house for a period of the week or month or long. She takes stock of her result and accounting on his result. She plans and organizes her result to obtain the maximum benefit out of three results. She monitors and controls the household blood and expenses and other activities in learn how the hit individual the work among other members and coordinates three active. She endorses and motivates them to try best in completing three active. She is always in receipt of implement mentions goal, result and means to add three goal. Three in general are the basic fund of management. Management can be defined in detail in the following category. Management as a process, management as an active, management as an discipline, management as a group, management as a screen, management art, profession. The complete of management is at all as the human red life, the complete of family it's well risks that life be organized. The results of food are applied in the managed so as to maximize the ultimate of results. Taking proper step to assist ground the family from attack by wild animal, planning on where to go, fix and hunting, and what to go with, organizing trees group, intrusive and hunting, and freezing band where she gave this discount. The and so on are all sub interest of management and organizer. A study of various people around the world should goal explains of organizational structure and organizational evolution for the year. I will open market in the retrieval and elite department store in a modern city service. The same net in similar fashion, which is putting the things together the people in it. While the tribal organizer was simple in natural, the modern organizer is much more suited and complete. My main technology in involvement heard the basic from the of management and organizer structure seem to have existed since the beginning of organizer human active. Management is a system in not only an essential element of an organized social but also integral part of life. When we'll talk about managing out life, managing life is not much more different from managing an organizer, and this art of management has been with us from time immemorial. Just as well manager life is much better organizer, goal oriental. The successful good management at an organizer markets the difference between the success and the failure of but the performance of management was held by that later tricks of the United States John Spike Joseph Kennedy when he hides that the role of management in our social is in human process. It serves to build a great need of your time to improve standard of living for all people, tricks and effectivity of human and material goods. Similar, Peter F. Drucker, another management author, has employed the implements of management to social living. His promised 25 years ago that effective management was become the main result of developed nations and had it was the most net result of developing nations. A manager job is close to the growth of an organizer. The more complex the organizer, the more club is to the manager's role in it. A good manager makes things happen. The importance of management in an organizer was expressed by Professor Leonard Sayles in his Ethics to a group of management development special as follows. We must win well to company social as well and trustful train manager in particular that the real legs problem of our institution, the getting things done, the implementation, the following of a consist the making of the regs, the sing at the regs team with the regs people is where that acting is allowed. We as social happen at to give much credit to manager. I hope we can move to recording trade management real and leadership job are among the most critical takes out social as such the three despite the professional status that we give to more traditions fear of knowledge. Three are basic five primary foundations of management. These are number 1 planning, number 2 organizing, number 3 staffing, 4 directing, 5 controlling. The controlling function completes coordination, recording, and budgeting, and hence the controlling funds can be broken into three aspects. Functional basic of 37 usmelig come the work postcard with general reference the instillations of 37 fundi a baseline for planning or for organizing, as for staffing, D for directing, C for organizing, R for recording, then B for blogging. But planning, organizing, staffing, direct, and controlling are will record fund of management. Number 1, planning. Planning future organizer and directs and organizer directs it is a rational and system way of making decisions today that will affect the future of the company. It is a king for organizer for gets as well as cutting interact of the future as well as trying to controlling the event. It is the abilities to foresee that effect of cultic action in the long run in three filter. Planning is the continuous process of making plans, explain the systematics and with best possible knowledge of three filter rate organizing system called the efforts need to carry out trees and manage the records of trees decision. Again, the explains the organizers and systematic feedback. Organizing this formal structure of out and the records and flow of such outreach will work. The air beacon air the control to that expert returns to the other part in untreated and contract means so as to attain the present objective. To organize a business is to approach it with vigorous the art it while material tool, capital and person. Saving is the funds of string and trees effort of what the one about what management as will as on management level it innovates as process recruiting, training, developing, compensating, and evaluating employers and maintaining this work first with people proper inactive and motivation since the human element is the most vital factor in the process of management is in influence records the expression. Management focusing of staffing influence managing of the organizer structure through the people and active selection attracts the and development of personnel to fill the roles designated in the structure. Directing funds is complete with letting communication, motivation, and suppressing so that the employees from the head active in the mode which manage approach in order to active the basic goal. The leadership element influencing structure and glean the subtract about production and methods. The communication must be open about ways so that the information can be passed on the subordinates and the feedback from that. The passy is very influences his motivate people show explain performance with less direct from suppress controlling. The forms of control cons of stress active that are in the client to act that the events do not deviate from the flag and plans. The active consists to establish stand for work, performance, and complaint. It to dress it stand and taking corporate acting, and when needs to corporate and deviation. According to Kant and Dole, controlling is the manager and consists of performance active of subordinates in order to make sure the entry objective and plan decks to obtain them as being escalate. The controlling functional innovations as establishment of stand performance. B. Means true of actual performance. C. Means actual performance with the predefined stand and fitting out the deviation. D. Taking corporate action. All 5 functions of management are classic interrelated. How 3 functions are highly intricate and factual class on the job. It is nice out to part at financial parity, intro focus, and deal with in. Thank you.